Do you listen to English podcasts, movies, or YouTube videos all day, but still struggle to speak fluently? That's because you're listening passively. If you just let English play in the background, your brain doesn't fully process it. Today, I'll teach you how to switch from passive listening to active listening, step by step. And by the end, you'll know exactly how to train your ears, brain, and mouth to improve your English faster than ever. Passive versus active listening. Passive listening. Watching Netflix with subtitles but not repeating. Playing English podcasts while cooking, but not focusing. Listening like background music. It helps you get used to English sounds, but it doesn't help you speak better. Active listening. You focus 100% on what you hear. You repeat, you pause, you copy, you note down. You engage with the material. Think of it like going to the gym. Passive listening is just watching people exercise. Active listening is when you pick up the weights. That's when you grow. Listen with intention. Pick short, clear content, like a 1-minute podcast, a short YouTube clip, or even a dialogue from a movie. Don't start with a full 2-hour movie, your brain will get tired. Focus on something short, but listen carefully. Example, I'll call you back in a minute. Did you hear every word? Or did it feel too fast? Now pause the audio. Say the same sentence out loud. Don't worry if you sound funny. Just try. Let's do it together. I'll call you back in a minute. Pause. Now you say it. I'll call you back in a minute. This is how your mouth and ears start to connect with English naturally. Tip: don't just listen once. Repeat 2 or 3 times. Each time, your pronunciation will improve. Check accuracy. After repeating, play the sentence again. Compare it with your version. Did you stress the same words? Native speakers don't always pronounce every word clearly. Active listening helps you catch these small details. Take short notes. While listening, don't write down the entire sentence. Just note key words. Example sentence: I'll call you back in a minute. Write, call back minute. Later, look at your notes and try to reconstruct the sentence. This way, you're not only listening, you're also training your memory and grammar. Practice daily mini sessions. The secret is not listening for hours. The secret is listening actively for just 10 to 15 minutes every day. That's enough to see real progress. Suggested routine. Pick a 1 to 2 minute audio. Listen once. Pause after each sentence and repeat. Check accuracy. Write 3 keywords. Repeat the audio again. At the end of the week, you'll be shocked at how much easier it feels. Now it is a practice time. I'll say some sentences. Your job is to pause the video and repeat after me. She's running late again. Repeat after me, aloud. She's running late again. Can you give me a hand with this? Say aloud. Can you give me a hand with this? I've been waiting for ages. Say aloud. I've been waiting for ages. Now, here's my sincere request to you. If you are watching videos with the intention of learning English, then open your mouth and repeat each sentence aloud, whether it is a podcast, or a vocabulary video, or anything. Just repeat each and every word and sentence. Don't sit silently. Just speak. This is the single most powerful habit that separates learners who improve fast from those who stay stuck. Remember, English fluency isn't about how many hours you listen. It's about how actively you listen. If you practice this technique every day, even for 10 minutes, your brain will start to think in English, your ears will catch fast speech, and your mouth will respond naturally. Now it's your turn. Pick one short video or podcast today and practice this 4-step method: listen, pause, repeat, check. Then come back and comment, what sentence did you practice today? Don't forget to like this video if it helped you, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more practical English learning strategies.